meeting being recorded.
Okay. 1 second.
Okay. Is it visible? Okay. So today we'll see the basic data types in Verilog. Basic data types in Verilog. Okay. So first you have net data type. Okay. So net data type. Okay. So why this net data type? Where you are using? This is used to represent the physical connection. Okay, physical connection. Okay. So here these will be used to drive the values. Okay, drive the values continuously from the driver. Okay, continuously from the driver. So these are not used to store the value. So these are used to drive the values. Okay, so these are not used to storing the values. Okay, these net data type, these are not used to store the values. Okay, store the values. Okay, suppose if you consider like data type, suppose 22 is there. Okay, so 22 means by default this is what value. So what the compiler will take if I write 22? So compiler will take by default, it will take as decimal. Okay, the last class we have seen the four values. No, those are what are those? Those are nothing but binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. Okay, so number representation we already seen. So that means if you are giving 22 value means by default the compiler will take that value as decimal. Okay, so so we already see in the value set. Okay, again next if you see so in net you have again three types are there: wire data type, war data type, okay, war data type, and WAN data type. Wire, war, and WAN. Okay, so these three are not used for storing the values. Okay, this you need to remember. These not used for storing the values. Okay, so example, if you take module example, if I write wire A, okay, so wire A and end module, okay. So here here this is nothing but wire is nothing but what? Data type or keyword, and A is nothing but we can call as variable or identifier. Okay, so this is about the data type, net data type. Suppose how it will be connected means net data type. So net data type. So let us take, you have like module A and one more module B. Module B. So here it is connected like this. Okay? It's connected like this. Okay. So if you are using net data type, so if you are using net data type, so whatever the module A is there, continuously it will drive the value into this line. Okay. And so and it is available in this wire. So whatever the module B is there, it will receive that value into from this wire to module B. Okay. So that is the net data type. Okay. So for this purpose, we need to connect a wire. Okay. For this, we need to connect which data type in net data type. So there are three types: no, wire, war, and band. So here we can initialize the wire data type. Okay. So we can write like this. Suppose here we are initializing some variable b. Okay. So wire b. You need to use the keyword assign from b equal to what? 0. B equal to 0. Okay. So that means b equal to 0 means what? This 0 is 0. Whatever the 0 is there, this is not storing in b. Just it is driving the value. Just it is driving the value. Okay, the value will be not stored in b. Just it will drive the value into b. Okay. So that is net data type. Okay. So if we have so we already seen the value set. No? So what are the value set in Verilog? So value set, you have 0, 1, x and z. Okay. So 0, 1, x and z. Suppose if I consider some wire a. Okay. So what is the default value it will take? Default value of net data type. What is the default value? Default value is z. Z is nothing but we already seen, no? So this is nothing but logical low or high value, logical low, okay, or logic 0 or logic high, don't care, okay. And this is nothing but high impedance, no? So this is nothing but it will be stored like high impedance, okay. Will be stored like a high impedance, or high impedance is nothing but what? Not connected, okay, not connected, okay. So next, you see, so in net data type, we have wire, war, and band. Wire, war, and band. Okay. So if you see, if you see one example, module example, wire A, assign equal to 0. Okay. And assign equal to 1. Okay. You have like in C language, you have printf, no, like the dollar display, the value of A is percentage B, comma A. Okay. Now, what is the value of what is the value of A? So we know that Verilog is concurrent language. Okay. So that means two instructions will execute parallelly. Okay. So that means compiler can't understand what is the value of a. So at last you'll get a equal to what? X equal to x. Okay. So that means you should know the difference between the sequential language and concurrent language. In the starting of the class, I told you like sequential language. Sequential language is nothing but what? Sequential language is compiler, whatever our compiler is there, compiler is going to execute step by step. Okay, that is sequential language. Okay, so like what are the sequential language we have seen? C, C++, Java, Python. These are sequential languages. Okay, concurrent languages means what? So concurrent languages. That is, it will do parallel execution. Okay, like we already seen HDL, VHDL, Verilog, okay, and system Verilog. These are nothing but concurrent. Whatever the hardware descriptive languages are there, those are concurrent languages. Okay, so this is about the sequential and concurrent languages. Okay, and next you have suppose where you use war. So that means in order to overcome this, that means the compiler can't understand. If you are representing this as wire data type, so compiler can't understand either the value is either 0 or 1. So it will give the compiler as don't care. Okay, so you can run this program in EDA Playground. Dialing Vivado, you can run this program and you can see you are getting a equal to x. Okay, so in order to overcome this disadvantage, we are going in the net data type. We are going with one more data type, that is war data type. Okay, war data type. So what is war data type? Here, let us take module example. So if I write var m, okay, assign m equal to 0, assign m equal to 1. Okay, and so what is war operation? So war operation means in the name itself it is there, war or operation. Okay, so or operation means what? Or operation means here it will do the or operation of 0 and 1. You know that or operation of 0 and 1, the output is what? If any of the input is 1, the output is 1. Okay, uh, 1 second. Okay, am I audible? Is this fine? Second. So that is war operation, war. Okay, and next you have WAND. Okay, so what is this WAND? So that means here, suppose if you consider war A, okay, and suppose A equal to 0, and again assign A equal to 0. So if you consider assign A equal to 0 and A equal to 0, so you are getting 0 or 0 equal to, you are getting 0. Okay, so like this you will get. Let me change the color. Okay. So band, what is band? So band, if you take, it will do like in the name itself, it is there. So AND operation, it will do the AND operation. Okay. So like the band of M equal to 1 and the band of M equal to 0. Okay. So it will do like 1 and of 0. So this is equal to what? 0. Okay. You are getting the output as 0. Okay. So this is about the net data type. Okay. So we discussed about net data type. Okay. So I think also I want to show 1 second. Mm. Okay, this is about today's class. Okay, thank you.